What's up, Junda?
We're going up here. We're gonna ski some narc.
Where are we at?
Back 9, Breck Ridge.
Did a little powder today, huh?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright, we made it up here. Brutal hike, but incredible untouched power behind us. Got 9 to 13 inches, kind of depending on where the wind is. Boys are up as well. This is gonna be awesome. Very excited. Yeah, dropping. You go first. I'm still not sure where we're going. Oh, thick. You hit a rock? Oh no! So tight. Send it, boys. Oh, it's so thick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. We can. Oh boy. Oh my. I know it's here, but.
Patrick, two big holes. Patrick, big holes.
Big holes.
GoPro, stop recording.
We're up here top of ESP Chute. Got grass dropping. Horrible visibility. Extremely windy. But we're way up here and there's really no way to turn around. So we're going to do it. I'm going to give you the POV now. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can't do that. Answer it. I'm in a bit of predicament here, huh? I also just caused a small avalanche, which is really scary. Yeah, right here is huge, right? I can't see anything. I'm gonna unbuckle and go over here, but if you could stay on the phone with me, I would appreciate that. The scariest part about that whole thing was triggering a small avalanche. That was right above it. It's pretty spooky. Okay. Holy. That was way bigger than I thought. I forgot to zip my pockets and lost my GoPro handheld. Not the GoPro, obviously, but the hand mount, which is a bummer. So I check your pockets. Alright, so that was a bunch more clips, and I forgot to film an outro or an intro or really anything again, but the next videos will have a bit more personality to them. These past few videos I've just been trying to get used to my GoPro and show y'all what I've been up to, and yeah, this is the end of the video, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.